Hello friends, how are you? I am Aniket and today I am discussing about book list for CAPF. If you follow any coaching, then you have to follow their notes and advice. If you do self study, then this video help you a lot. This book list is enough for CAPF. Let's start. First of all, make note for the book list. Come to geography. You should read Gochi Leong, yani JC Leong, and 11th 12th NCERT. 11th 12th NCERT is enough, but read GC Leong, then you have more clarity. In history, you should read 12th NCERT only. Themes of history, part 1, part 2 and part 3. Ancient India in part 1, medieval in part 2 and modern in third part. Or you should follow spectrum, but this book is very thick and your exam is after 3 months, so themes is sufficient. Come to polity. Only one book, that is M. Lakshmikant. This is enough for polity. In science, 6 to 10th NCERT is enough. Most of part covered in 6 to 10th NCERT. Only some selective topic in 11th and 12th. So I suggest only 6 to 10th NCERT, that is enough. For economy, two part of economy, that is microeconomics and macroeconomics. Weightage of macroeconomics is more than microeconomics. So you for microeconomics follow Murnal Patel videos on YouTube. Murnal Patel, that is only 2 to 3 videos are there and you should follow. And for macroeconomics, you should read NCERT for 12th class. For mathematics and reasoning part, if you are from maths background, then you only do practice set, that is enough. But if you are not from maths background, then you should follow RS Agarwal, but only arithmetic part, okay. For paper 2, you should follow sociology, 11th 12th NCERT, that is enough. Theory part of polity also, and read Internal Security by Ashok Kumar, IPS. This book is good for internal security. For current affairs, you should read Vision IAS monthly magazine, that is good. If you read this book, then you should practice a lot, because practice make a person perfect. I show your average questions asked in CAPF subject wise. In science, 25 to 30 question ask average, in average, and in polity 15 to 20 questions are asked, and in economy only 4 to 6, but nowadays 10 to 12 question are asked in economy. And in history 15 to 20 question, and in geography 15 to 18 question, and in current affairs 25 to 30 questions, and mental ability, that is maths and reasoning, 20 to 25 question are asked in average. You pause this video and note this. I hope you note this book list. Best of luck. Thank you.